Izinkampani zikahulumeni kuleli zisenkingeni. Lezi ezabasebenzi kanye nokuphatha kwezinkampani nokubonakalayo kwezamabhosi South African Post Office kanye nenhlangano yezokusasaza kuleli SABC. Eyezindiza u-SAA isasezinkingeni zezimali nekagesi u-Eskom iyahluleka ukuxhasa ngezimali izinhlelo zayo zokuyithuthukisa. Ungqongqoshe wezezimali uNhlanhla Nene uthi uhulumeni usethatha izinyathelo zokusekela u-Eskom. Uthi bazosekela u-Eskom ukuthi akwazi ukuboleka imali engango-250 billion wamarandi nangaphezu kwalokho badayisa izimpahla zenkampani ezingathikameza umsebenzi wesamba sika-20 billion.
Financial assistance to municipalities for free basic services will continue, ensuring that the poorest households are protected against rising electricity tariffs. Electricity supply will remain tight until the first units of the new Medupi power station come online and the capacity of existing plants improves.
Ikhabhinethi yona ihlela ukubeka iso lokhozi kwezinye izinkampani zikahulumeni.
A new framework is envisaged that will distinguish commercial activities from development mandates, accompanied by a more stringent financial reporting requirements.
Kodwa amaqembu aphikisayo awahambisani nalokho.
What South Africa desperately needs, he should have been much bolder at announcing measures around privatizations. He spoke about some of the state-owned enterprises which are simply not performing, and he still didn't go with the full extent of saying we need to privatize some of them, we need to ensure that there are new players into the market so that the state isn't fulfilling the entire burden of infrastructure growth.
Uhulumeni useqinisekisile ukuthi angeke kusetshenziswe imali yentela ukuxhasa izinkampani zikahulumeni ngezimali ezishodayo.